To the Flow Tracy Money Audio Commentary. This is Owen Tracy recording, and it is 4 p.m. that is Central Time. Today is November 28th, and today being Friday, it's the big picture, long-term audio and video for the various different asset classes. And of course, this is also the end of November, so we have a little bit of chop and change. And of course, yesterday was Thanksgiving, so we're into the holiday period, and this is historically the beginning of when one would expect the Santa Claus rally to begin. And we had a very positive day today in the precious metal markets. Copper broke out to new highs on the LME contract. It's not quite at a new high in COMEX, but it's certainly firming. And it was a generally positive day on the stock market as well, although the gains were not as dynamic as we saw in the metal markets. Then oil prices were down a little. They had rallied in early trading, but still very much range bound. And then I think there's also a downward bias within that range. There are continued issues with the Chinese property sector. China Vanke, which had been trending downwards over the last few days, was a bit steadier in here today, but there are significant issues with the debt and how it's going to get paid back. India's growth rate came in well ahead of expectations. It was the highest growth rate in at least 6 quarters, and it's in excess of 8%. So that's certainly very positive for India. It probably removes some of the potential that they're going to cut rates, but at the same time, a lot of that growth is coming from factories. And I thought more than any other factor that one data point helps to really ram home the point that India's uh, internal or its economy and the way in which it's managed has changed significantly over the last decade. Because a decade ago, the manufacturing sector was never really made any of the running. And now you have a growing industrial base in India that is one of the, I think, the crowning achievements of the Modi administration, and helping to put a lot of those young people into jobs, which is absolutely essential if you want to have social cohesion. But then let's think about what else is going on in the world. Well, there's also the